Hi everyone, so today I'll be talking about 3 tips that you can use on ChatGPT to be more productive. Let's start with number 1. For example, you have some MCQs and you want their solutions in a quick succession. Kindly don't do this thing for an examination, just do it whenever you feel difficulty in understanding any question or any MCQ. So what will you do? You will give it a command, okay? You'll give it some guidelines. For example, you can say that for the questions that I provide you now, kindly select from the options A, B, C or D. Don't explain, just give me the answer, okay? Then I'll press OK. So what will you say? Okay, I'll provide you with the selected option without explanations. Please go ahead with your questions. So what I'll do, let's suppose I'll copy this question, okay? This is an MCQs based question and I'll write the question here and see, it gives me the answer. So for the any MCQ that I'll write, it will give me the answer anytime I write. So this is the tip number 1. So the second thing is about giving it a role. For example, you can say, act as an SEO expert and help me in writing a description for my YouTube channel. Kindly avoid using jargons and focus on simple English that everyone can understand. And whenever you might have searched on ChatGPT, it says that let's delve into the blah blah, something like that. Okay, so whenever you say kindly avoid using jargons, it will not use those, that sort of thing. So now I say my niche is about technology. Go on and write a description. So see, it has written a description which I can use for my YouTube channel, and I can just amend it wherever I want. The third and fourth important thing is about bullet points. Okay, you can give it bullet points and you can tell it to combine them and make a complete draft. For example, I say, I will give you some bullet points, combine them and write a full draft for me. So it will say, certainly, please provide the bullet points and I'll try my best to create a full draft for you. Let's suppose I write bullet points like this, okay? Village. Then to go to the next line, you simply press shift and enter. Okay, so you come to next line, you say poor, okay, you come to next education, next and city, then next, and you just give success. Okay, so now you wrote the bullet points: village, poor, education, city, a success. Now I have not told it what to do, what not to do. It will just understand it has to combine these bullet points. So I'll press enter. Okay, so now here see what it did. It wrote something interesting. Okay, title: bridging the gap, a tale of transformation from village to city. Okay, in the heart of a quaint village. Okay, if I want it to write in a simple language, what I'll say, simplify it please. Okay, when I say simplify it please, now what will it do? It will simply use the simple language. From village to city, a journey of hope and success in a simple village where poverty prevailed. Okay, the previous sentence was, in the heart of a quaint village where simplicity and tradition intertwined. Okay, so this is how different it is. So all you need to do is just play with it. You can apply these rules not only on ChatGPT, also on Bard and other AI tools, and you can use them for your productivity. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye and take care.